Question 1. A type of twisted pair copper cable used for connecting workstations to network devices is known as, select two answers. A. Patch cable. B. RG59 cable. C. Crossover cable. D. RG6 cable. E. Straight through cable. The correct answers are A. Patch cable. E. Straight through cable. Question 2. What type of Ethernet cable is used to establish a direct communication link between two PCs? A. Patch cable. B. Crossover cable. C. Rollover cable. D. Straight through cable. The correct answer is B. Crossover cable. Question 3. Which of the following are copper cabling termination specifications? Select two answers. A. RJ11. B. T568A. C. RG6. D. RJ45. E. T568B. F. RG59. The correct answers are B. T568A. E. T568B. Question 4. Which of the following are features of UTP cabling? Select all that apply. A. Twisted pair copper cabling. B. Used in Ethernet networks and telephone systems. C. Low cost and ease of installation. D. Takes advantage of additional protective cover reducing signal interference from outside sources. E. Coaxial cabling. F. Not surrounded by any shielding that would provide protection against interference from outside sources. G. Fiber optic cabling. H. In Ethernet networks, installed with RJ45 connector type. The correct answers are A. Twisted pair copper cabling. B. Used in Ethernet networks and telephone systems. C. Low cost and ease of installation. F. Not surrounded by any shielding that would provide protection against interference from outside sources. H. In Ethernet networks, installed with RJ45 connector type. Question 5. The main difference between UTP and STP cabling is that STP cables have additional protective covers that reduce signal interference from outside sources. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 6. Examples of copper cabling types used in Ethernet networks include, select all that apply. A. STP. B. Multimode. C. UTP. D. Single mode. E. Coax. The correct answers are A. STP. C. UTP. E. Coax. Question 7. A special type of cabling with a fire-retardant jacket that is placed inside spaces between structural floors and drop ceilings or inside of walls is known as plenum-rated cabling. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 8. A type of enclosed space in a building, such as the area between a drop ceiling and a structural ceiling, that is used for air handling is known as A. Plenum. B. Main distribution frame, MDF. C. HVAC system. D. Intermediate distribution frame, IDF. The correct answer is A. Plenum. Question 9. In 10 Gbps networks, Category 6, Cat6, cabling supports a 10 Gbps data transfer rate at a limited range of 33 to 55 meters, whereas Cat6a, augmented, cabling allows for a 10 Gbps data transfer rate over a segment length of 100 meters. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 10. What is the minimum cabling requirement needed to create a 10 Gbps Ethernet connection over copper twisted pair cable? A. Cat5. B. Cat5e. C. Cat6. D. Cat6a. The correct answer is C. Cat6. Question 11. Which of the following are characteristic features of Category 5e, Cat5e, cabling? Select all that apply. A. 10 Gbps Ethernet, 10 Gbps networks. B. RJ11 connector. C. 55 meter cable segment length. D. 100 Mbps Ethernet, 100 base T networks. E. RJ45 connector. F. Fiber optic cabling. G. 100 meter cable segment length. H. Twisted pair copper cabling. I. 1 Gbps Ethernet, 1000 base T networks. J. Coaxial cabling. The correct answers are D. 100 Mbps Ethernet, 100 base T networks. E. RJ45 connector. G. 100 meter cable segment length. H. Twisted pair copper cabling. I. 1 Gbps Ethernet, 1000 base T networks. Question 12. What is the common minimum requirement for twisted pair copper cabling in modern Ethernet networks? A. Cat3. B. Cat5. C. Cat5e. D. Cat6. E. Cat6a. The correct answer is C. Cat5e. Question 13. Which of the following are characteristic features of Category 5, Cat5, cabling? Select all that apply. A. Coaxial cabling. B. 100 Mbps Ethernet, 100 base T networks. C. F-type connector. D. 55 meter cable segment length. E. 1 Gbps Ethernet, 1000 base T networks. F. B and C connector. G. 100 meter cable segment length. H. RJ45 connector. I. 10 Gbps Ethernet, 10 G base T networks. J. Twisted pair copper cabling. K. Fiber optic cabling. The correct answers are B. 100 Mbps Ethernet, 100 base T networks. E. 1 Gbps Ethernet, 1000 base T networks. G. 100 meter cable segment length. H. RJ45 connector. J. Twisted pair copper cabling. Question 14. What is the typical maximum segment length for a copper twisted pair Ethernet cable? A. 33 meters. B. 55 meters. C. 100 meters. D. 250 meters. The correct answer is C. 100 meters. Question 15. Which of the following allows for determination of the optimal WAP placement? A. War driving. B. Optical power meter. C. Network mapper. D. Wi-Fi analyzer. The correct answer is D. Wi-Fi analyzer. Question 16. Which of the following is a type of diagnostic tool used for measuring the strength of a wireless signal? A. Tone generator. B. Multimeter. C. Wi-Fi analyzer. D. Network mapper. The correct answer is C. Wi-Fi analyzer. Question 17. Which of the following tools is used to attach network cables to a patch panel? A. Cable crimper. B. Punch down tool. C. Cable certifier. D. Needle nose pliers. The correct answer is B. Punch down tool. Question 18. When troubleshooting problems with a network interface card, NIC, which of the following tools can be used to test connector pins on the NIC port? A. Tone generator and probe. B. Cable tester. C. Multimeter. D. Loopback plug. The correct answer is D. Loopback plug. Question 19. Which of the following tools is used to verify that the electrical connections of wires in a cable are correct? A. Loopback plug. B. Tone generator. C. Cable tester. D. Multimeter. The correct answer is C. Cable tester. Question 20. The final step of a troubleshooting process should involve documenting findings, actions, and outcomes. This step comes after verification of full system functionality and the implementation of applicable preventive measures. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 21. According to troubleshooting theory, when should verification of full system functionality and implementation of applicable preventative measures be performed? A. After documenting findings, actions, and outcomes. B. As the first step of the troubleshooting process. C. After implementing the solution. D. As the last step of the troubleshooting process. The correct answer is C. After implementing the solution. Question 22. After developing a plan of action to resolve a problem, the next step in a troubleshooting methodology should be to A. Conduct research based on symptoms. B. Test the theory to determine problem cause. C. Implement the solution. D. Establish a theory of probable cause of the problem. The correct answer is C. Implement the solution. Question 23. Once the theory of probable cause of the problem has been established, the next troubleshooting step should be A. Verifying full system functionality. B. Testing the theory to determine the problem cause. C. Implementing the solution. D. Establishing a plan of action to resolve the problem. The correct answer is B. Testing the theory to determine the problem cause. Question 24. Establishing a theory about the probable cause of a problem is a troubleshooting step that requires conducting research based on symptoms and may also involve asking for assistance from a more experienced tech. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. Question 25. Which of the following actions should be the first step in a troubleshooting process? A. Establishing a theory of probable cause of the problem. B. Conducting external or internal research based on problem symptoms. C. Identifying the problem. D. Establishing a plan of action to resolve the problem. The correct answer is C. Identifying the problem.